Welcome to a Hot Wheels unboxing. This is going to be my first real collection from Hot Wheels. So let's take a look, see what we got here. Alright, let's get started. Hi, welcome to another episode of Gearhead Man. This is an unboxing of Hot Wheels, as you can see. And yeah, I did open the box prior to starting the film. I wanted to do some of the tough stuff out of the way so I can focus on unboxing these cars. They're part of the Jay Leno collection, Jay Leno's Garage collection. And we'll take a look at them here. All right, this is a Mercedes from his collection here. And that's a pretty cool car. Older Mercedes. Pretty cool. That's one down. All right, car number 2 from the Jay Leno's Garage. It's a McLaren F1. Pretty cool deal. Pretty cool car. Try to get a little close up here on it. Alright, that's 2 down. Alright. This car is pretty close to my heart. It's an early Corvair Yanko Stinger model or version or edition. And my father had a Corvair, early 60s, but it wasn't a Yanko Stinger. It was it was turboed. Pretty cool Corvair he had. I liked it. He loved it. He got rid of it and always regretted getting rid of it. All right, that's 3 down. All right, the next car from his collection is a Lamborghini Countach. I'm not big on European cars, but this one's pretty cool. I like it. That's 4 down, 1 left to go. And this one is awesome. I've seen a few of these episodes of Jay Leno's Garage that featured several of these cars. And this is called the tank car because car was built and designed around a tank engine. If I remember right, it was out of the Abrams battle tank. Well, that kind of brings the end of this episode of an unboxing of the Jay Leno Garage set of 5 cars. Now, there are a few more cars in the collection overall that came out individually, in my understanding. So I'm going to be looking for them and do individual unboxings of those as well down the road. But thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of my unboxing episode in the comments below. Give us a like if you liked it. You know, that helps me know what I'm doing is good and I'm going in the right direction. And definitely subscribe. You know, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. So just hit that red subscribe button on your way out, man. You'd be doing us a favor. And by increasing the amount of subscribers I have, that can help me down the road, you know, get to places that I currently can't get to bring you some awesome future episodes, you know, everything automotive, you know, in the automotive world, in the car world. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. Definitely hit that red subscribe button on your way out. I think I mentioned that a couple times already. But just do it. It's free. So we'll see you next episode.